This micro-credential's got the fundamental learnings that anyone needs if they want to explore a career at the airport, and the number of job opportunities coming up at the airport are amazing.
It's been co-designed and co-developed with an industry partner, overseeing exactly everything that goes into the course. So when students go in there, they're not just seeing it from an educational perspective, but they're seeing it from a real, authentic industry experience perspective. The education pathways that are in there really are tailored to how the student wants to learn. If they want to learn by themselves, if they want to learn in a group setting, if they want to learn in a boot camp, in a practical setting, all of the options are built into the way that we offer it, and that really suits their individual lifestyle.
And it's a unique program. It's a program that takes them on a journey rather than a program that guides them or dictates what they're going to do.